Welcome to the Exploring Space with Science Review Questions and Answer video for Lesson 2 of Unit 1 in 5th grade. Question 1. Quote accurately from the text to describe the relationship between Earth, a galaxy, and the universe. They don't want you to just say, the text says. They want exactly, word for word, what the authors put. So I'm going to quote exactly from the text. I believe it's on page 21. Earth is part of the Milky Way galaxy. A galaxy is a large cluster of stars. The Milky Way galaxy is shaped like a thick pancake. It contains billions of stars. There are hundreds of billions of galaxies in the universe. That quote is saying that Earth is a planet and it's part of a galaxy. Galaxies are part of the universe, and that shows the connection between those three items. Question 2. If you compare the size and brightness of the sun in the sky with the size and brightness of another star, the sun appears much larger and brighter than any other star. Why is this? Think about it. The sun looks ginormous in the sky, but then at nighttime, the stars that I look at, the Big Dipper, Ursa Major, Ursa Minor, Orion's Belt, they look so tiny and far, and I can't get enough light. That's why we have the moon. So why is that? What does the book say? The sun is an average-sized star, but it appears much closer to us than any other star, and that's why it's much brighter and appears larger to us, because it is closer. We found that on pages 22 and 23 of our student reader. Question 3. How does the text explain the relationship between the sun, moon, and Earth? Why does the moon orbit Earth and Earth orbit the sun? The moon orbits Earth and Earth orbits the sun because of the attractive force of gravity. All matter has gravity, but the strength of that attractive force depends on the mass of the object. The sun is the most massive object in our solar system, so its gravity holds Earth and other planets in orbit around it. However, the strength of gravity decreases with distance. The moon is so much closer to Earth, and Earth is so much more massive than the moon, that Earth's gravity holds the moon in orbit around it. So because the sun is very massive, it keeps both the Earth and the moon in orbit, and because the Earth is more massive than the moon is in orbit around the Earth. Question 4. How does the text explain the cause and effect relationship between Earth's orbit around the sun and the sun's gravity? So Earth's orbit and the sun's gravity. What's the connection there? The text explains the cause and effect relationship between Earth's orbit and the sun's gravity by describing how the sun is so much more massive than Earth. Because the sun is so much more massive, the pull of its gravity causes Earth to orbit the sun and stay in orbit around the sun.